Okay. So where we are now, we have been given go ahead to do the feasibility study. When it starts on Monday. So from Monday, the feasibility study period starts. We have requested for 4 weeks to hand in the full feasibility study report. Then after that, we are going to the feasibility study goes with the draft concession agreement. And then if government approves our feasibility study and the draft concession agreement, then we sign on the contract for the BOT license. Then immediately, within 3 weeks after that, we roll in the yellow equipment. We hope all that happens before the elections, because if we roll over, it will be construed by the people that the road was being used as an electioneering tool, which we don't want. In terms of the funding for the project, we have a private investor who has actually advanced us an offer for a loan of whatever amount we need. So far we have said 150 million. Maybe we can increase it if the scope of the work is larger than that. But so far we are working around 150 million US dollars. We still want to finish the project this year. It is feasible to finish the project if we start with the yellow vehicles in the beginning of August. We can finish the project by end of November, the whole 120 kilometers. The constraint on this project is the Chavezi river near Gwanda. There is a big bridge that has to be constructed there. It might be the big bottleneck, because we cannot hurry a bridge.